Keep your profit and loss reports accurate by easily tracking non-Amazon expenses on the Other Expenses page. To get started, navigate to Accounting, Other Expenses to view and manage these entries. Some expenses from Amazon are brought in for you once the related payment disbursement happens. These include removal and disposal fees, 30-day storage fees, long-term storage fees, Amazon Pro subscription fees, inventory prep fees, FBA inbound placement service fees, inbound shipping fees. This is if paid through your Amazon disbursement. Ad campaign fees if paid through your Amazon disbursement. Please note, if you paid for shipping or ads with a credit or debit card, you'll need to enter those manually. The Other Expenses page will display the following sortable columns: category, amount, date, and description. You can sort by any column and use advanced search to filter by date or custom ranges. Need to save your view? Just click Export in the top right corner of the page. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the total expenses for the selected time frame. Hover over the bar graph to break down that by category. To add expenses manually, click Add. Fill in the category. This can be up to 50 characters. Fill in the date, amount, and description. Set a schedule if it's a recurring cost. Click Create. Once saved, your entry will show up on this page and in your profit and loss report under its category. Do you have a lot of other expenses entries to add? You can import them all at once using a CSV file. It's important to keep in mind that importing into other expenses is an add-only feature. It won't update existing entries. If you export your data, make changes, and re-import it, those entries will be duplicated, not updated. Your CSV file should include at least these 4 columns: category, cost, date, and description. To import your file, go to Accounting, Other Expenses, click the Import button. A message will appear reminding you that this is an add-only import. Click OK to continue. Choose your CSV file and then click Next. Match the fields in your file to correct columns in InventoryLab. Click Next to begin the import. You'll see a confirmation message once the import is successful. Depending on the file size, it may take up to 20 minutes for the entries to appear. InventoryLab comes with a set of default expense categories, but you can easily customize them to fit your business needs. You can add new categories in 2 ways: directly from your settings or when creating a new expense. Just type a new category into the category field. If it doesn't already exist, enter the category and then click the Add button to save it to your category list. Common custom categories include multi-channel fulfillment fees, remote fulfillment fees, and service provider fees. You can also manage your existing categories by clicking Edit next to any of them to make changes or delete them as needed. To edit existing expenses, check the box next to any entry or select multiple. Click Action on Selected and then click Edit. Update the details in the right panel and then click Save. To delete expenses, check the box next to the entries. Click Action on Selected and then click Delete. Confirm by clicking Yes. And that's it. The Other Expenses page helps make sure nothing falls through the cracks when it comes to tracking your costs.